Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this nice Christmas look, then continue to watch. So first, I went into my Juvias Place Afrique palette and I went in that burgundy shade and I placed it all in my crease. So as you can see, I'm not blending it, I'm just dabbing it in so that it looks like really pigmented. And then I'm going to go into the Morphe 3502 palette and use the red shade, I think it's called Fire, and use that to blend the arch edge. So I'm going to blend to ensure the arch edges are blended out, and then I'm going to add the red shade also to the rest of the lid. That's where the blank canvas is. I'm going to add it to it. So if you want to see this tutorial, continue to watch. And also, this is like an easy tutorial. It's not time consuming or anything. You can go ahead, take a shot at it. You can use the same palettes. If you don't have it, you can use different palettes. It doesn't have to be the same colors. You can add your own twist to it and just enjoy. It's fun to do, so just watch and learn. So after completing my next eye of camera, I went ahead and I did my wing liner, and I did a pretty decent wing using my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black. So I went ahead at my wing liner, and then after that I went off camera and add my lashes. Also with this wing liner, I went ahead and I also winged it on the inside also. So this is my first time doing it and I really like the way it came out. So yeah. So now I'm going to move on to my face. So first I'm going to use my micellar cleansing water wipes and use that to makeup remover wipes and use that to wipe off my face before adding my Becca primer and then going with my CoverGirl foundation. So I'm just gonna place it all over my face per usual, and then highlight, contour, and all that good jazz. To highlight, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use that to highlight my face, under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, and also my chin. So I noticed that what I've been doing lately is just powder contour, so I won't be doing no cream contour. I'll just be doing the powder contour with my Itsmyrayeraye palette. Yeah. Now to fix everything in place, I'm going to go ahead and use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use that to set my face. So I'm going to be setting all the highlighted areas and also be doing a reverse contour. So what I'm doing here is called my quick bake. So I noticed this works very well for me, keeps my face matte because I have oily skin. So I just bake for a couple seconds, maybe a minute, and then I just press everything into my skin. I don't like dust away the excess. I press it into the skin so that like it sucks up more products. Not sucks up more products, but it melts into my skin, so there's more powder, so there's less grease seeping through. So here's where I'm contouring using my Itsmyrayeraye palette, and I'm using the darkest contour shade. Now onto setting my face to get rid of that, what do you call it, that ashiness. I use my rose mist, and I'm using that. I'm drenching my face in that, so you'll see as soon as it dry how nice it looks. So now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with that green shade from the Afrique palette, and I'm going to place it all over my bottom lash line. So I'm going to just put it in my bottom lash line and then blend it out and then add mascara. So here's a fun part for me. I'm going to go ahead and add my highlighter, and I think I went too hammer on it. I think I overdid it, so I had to tone it down a lot bit, not a little bit but a lot bit. So I'm using my Itsmyrayeraye palette again to highlight my face. Look at that. So I'm going to tone it down, so don't worry. So all I'm doing here is just using my foundation brush to go over my highlighted areas to get rid of that harshness and tone it down a bit, because I went a little too hammer with it. So now onto my lips. I'm going to go ahead and clean it off with some makeup wipes, and here I'm drinking some cranberry water, some Jamaican water, yeah. And I'm going to just go ahead with my Ruby Kisses brown pencil liner and use that to line my lips, and then add my bustier from, what's it called, NYX. So it's my NYX liquid lingerie in bustier on my lips, and then I'm just going to add some gloss. So I'm going with a nude lip and this red and green eye, and I really like it. It's really Christmassy, the green and the red. That's the spirit of Christmas, like Christmas colors. And I like the way it turned out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this is my little half up, half down that I did with a frontal wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this, stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.